So in this video, we will learn how you can join two pipes a 90-degree angle. Well, I have, you can see I have an iron tube that is about 1.5 inch and here is about 1 inch. So if you want to make a frame like a rectangle frame or a square frame and you join two pipes like this, so you want to cut them with the 45 degree and join them. In this video I will teach you how you can join two pipes without separate them, and you can cut them as on one time. So if you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. So I have a total pipe 16.5 inch. I have a iron tube that length is 16.5. So if you want to make a L-type shape like this, I will divide it into half. It is 16.5 inch, then its half is 8 inch and 2 2/3. You can see that the measurement is both sides is equal. So we can make it as a hole mark. Now you can use this tool or this tool scale to mark 45 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, and this is 45 degree. Mark this like 45 degree here and 45 degree here. You can see this is the mark where we can cut here and here, and also you can mark it here and mark it here. So mark it on the both side and at this side. Okay, and you can mark it and you can mark it as here. You have mark it as a 45 degree here and mark it as a here. Okay, you have this type of 45 degree. This is 90 degree. As you can see that this is 90 degree here. Okay, erase it. Now I will cut it with my hand grinder, and you can see that after this you will see how this will wonderfully joint as a 90 degree. So take your hand grinder and mark it. First cut here, right your bench wise, and second cut here. Then cut here, tight it and cut it and cut it. Okay, and lose it and turn it here and tight it and cut it here. You can see that their marks are we can dark the mark here and dark the mark here. And cut here. Lose it and separate this part. So you have this type of cut. Mold it. Okay. Okay, you can see this is the final. I think I have a less degree here. That is why I am facing some problem. You can see that this is not. So you can see here is the final result, and this is perfect 90-degree angle. As I can you can see here, this is the perfect 90-degree angle. a perfect 90-degree angle. Next process, I will teach you how you can weld it perfectly. Tight it here. Sorry for inconvenience. I am trying to fixing some of these problems with me. So first of all, I will on my welding machine and first of all, do not worry about it when you weld a thick pipe. In the next step, I will show you how you can weld it. As you can see, this is the perfect 90-degree. Turn on my welding machine and place it benchwise. Place it here, tight it, and you can see I have a perfect and nice 90-degree angle. Next, we are going to weld it. So don't worry when you weld it a thick pipe. Try on this degree. First stop here, first part here, and you can see that this is the nice joint. I have this scale that have 90-degree, and you can see that here is the 90-degree angle. Okay, so how now I want to show you how to weld it. A thick pipe, how you can weld it. So next step I will show you how you can weld it. You can see I have a magnet here, and you will learn how you can weld it. This is the 90-degree angle. You can see here how we can weld it. Tight it in the benchwise and lower the current. Weld it slowly. Lower the current as much as you can. how you can pull the hole. First spot here and here, and you can see that I have welded it. So here is the final. You can see that there is no any joint. You can see it is clear, there is no any joint, and I have welded it. So you can see that this is the final result. If you find this video useful and valuable, then please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.